Bitcoin in 2025 is a subject of extensive speculation and analysis, with various factors influencing its trajectory. Here's a comprehensive look based on current insights. Price predictions, optimistic forecasts. Analysts from several financial institutions and crypto experts have predicted significant growth for Bitcoin. For instance, projections range from $180,000 to $250,000 by the end of 2025, with some like Tom Lee from Fundstrat Global Advisors and Standard Chartered predicting a peak around $250,000 and $200,000 respectively. More ambitious forecasts, like those from venture capitalist Chamath Palihapitiya, suggest Bitcoin could reach $500,000 by October 2025. These bullish predictions hinge on increasing institutional adoption, regulatory changes, and macroeconomic trends like lower interest rates and inflation pressures. Conservative estimates. Not all predictions are sky high. Some analysts, like those from Investing Haven, suggest a more conservative estimate of around $75,000, emphasizing the potential for market corrections and the inherent volatility of cryptocurrencies. Regulatory environment. The election of Donald Trump has been viewed as potentially beneficial for Bitcoin, with expectations of a more crypto-friendly legislative environment. Trump's promises to make the U.S. a Bitcoin hub and the nomination of Paul Atkins as SEC chair, known for his pro-crypto stance, add to this optimism. There's also talk of establishing a strategic Bitcoin reserve in the U.S., which could influence Bitcoin's price and adoption. Market dynamics. Institutional adoption. The introduction and success of spot Bitcoin ETFs, especially those from major players like BlackRock, have democratized access to Bitcoin, leading to significant inflows and potentially supporting price stability and growth. Supply and demand. Bitcoin's fixed supply combined with increasing demand from both retail and institutional investors could push prices upward. The halving event, which reduces the rate of new Bitcoin creation, is often cited as a catalyst for price increases due to the resulting supply shock. Volatility and corrections. Despite the bullish outlook, posts on X, formerly Twitter, indicate a mixed sentiment with warnings of potential downturns, suggesting that Bitcoin might not only rise, but could also face significant corrections or a bearish year if broader economic conditions deteriorate. Public perception and adoption. Bitcoin's role as a store of value or digital gold continues to gain traction, with some experts viewing it as a hedge against traditional financial systems' instability. However, there's also a critical view of Bitcoin as speculative and potentially manipulative, with some voices on X describing it as a perfect Ponzi scheme. Global impact. Beyond the US, other countries might follow with their own Bitcoin initiatives, like strategic reserves or further adoption into national economies, which could influence global Bitcoin dynamics. In summary, Bitcoin in 2025 is anticipated to navigate through a landscape of high expectations for price growth, increased mainstream acceptance, potential regulatory support, and continued market volatility. The exact path it will take remains uncertain, reflecting the speculative nature of cryptocurrencies.